How did I get this role? So basically, it came through my first teacher of acting in school, Edwin Williams. जब मैं 12वीं में थी, then he was the one who got me my first play, and after 12 years he sent me a text on Facebook saying कि अजय बहल हैं जो अपनी पहली फिल्म बना रहे हैं, तो would you like to read this script? तो ऐसे मिली. I think I won't be biased if I say that BA Pass has been the best crew and the set to be on so far. 10 years in Mumbai, it's almost like my second family now. So independent film जब बनती है तो उसके बहुत सारे मायने होते हैं और उसका एक सबसे बड़ा important part ये है कि all of us have to be like-minded people and operating at the same level. तो उस तरीके से हम लोग बहुत ही एक दूसरे के साथ मिलजुल के काम कर रहे थे. तो बैनर तो दिमाग में भी नहीं आता when creativity is at flow. So मैं ये कहूँगी कि इस sex is in this film because it forms the spine of the film. It is not to titillate or to grab the eyeballs at all. It is there because it is, that's how that is also what the story is and is weaved around. And I can also assure you that I have no worries if you come into the theatre thinking about sex in mind, but when you walk out of the theatre, I assure you that sex is going to be the last thing on your mind, and you are going to be transformed and evolved as a human being somewhere. Sure, basically I play this woman called Sarika who is married to a high government official, and cinematically she's a femme fatale. She somewhere is a mysterious woman who has a lot of pain inside her, I feel, and her rights and wrongs are very different. Her way of living life is extremely very different. Extremely good because Shadab also comes from theatre background और film शुरू होने के पहले एक हफ्ते की हमारी workshop हुई थी. दिबेंदु भट्टाचार्य, he is another actor on the film. तो हमने एक हफ्ते की workshop की और so that helped us break the ice और and then I think also जो भी हमारी practice थी दोनों की, which was majorly the status play between us, that was something that we were following all the time. मतलब हम कोशिश करके भी खट्टे डिनर या बाहर मिल नहीं सकते थे because Ajay had a way of putting us on track. It comes from विशाल भारद्वाज क्योंकि 2 दिन पहले उन्होंने फिल्म देखी 2 हफ्ते पहले और विशाल सर का कोट आया, उन्होंने कहा genuine performance, brave performance. तो मुझे लगता है ये काफ़ी बरकत की बात है. Expectation from BA Pass when the audience goes, I think they should be prepared to watch something which they haven't seen in a long time. They should definitely hope transformation at some level. हमारे हिंदुस्तान में ऐसी बहुत कम फिल्में आती हैं जो कि आप जब सिनेमा हॉल में घुसें और बाहर निकलें तो आपके अंदर कुछ बदलता है. तो ये एक वैसी फिल्म है और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली शॉट है, तो बहुत ही मतलब सिनेमैटिकली शॉट है, तो कहीं भी भारी नहीं पड़ती है और कैसे गुजर जाती है पता नहीं चलता और कब वो बदलाव आता है पता नहीं चलता. तो आई थिंक ऑडियंस को बहुत मज़ा आएगा.
I was looking for work in the industry in the narrative feature section, like feature film के लिए, and हिंदी बीच में बोल सकता हूँ नहीं? Be natural, ठीक है. So I was I have an advertising background and काफ़ी टाइम से मैं advertising कर रहा हूँ, commercials बना रहा हूँ, but I was looking for work as a narrative feature, like I wanted to do a film, and it had been about 7 years I've been trying to make a film, and it was very difficult. I meet a lot of producers, I used to get signed for films, but they never took off. Then one day I decided, if nobody else is going to be like making my film, it's not happening, so I might as well put my own money and try and make it. So the idea started from there, and after that I was looking for material to adapt into a film script, because I wanted to adapt literature, because I think it's a very solid foundation to base a film on any literary work, because it's very difficult to find writers who think like you, and if the idea is not yours, then it's difficult for me to make a film on somebody else's idea. It has to be my own idea.